Are you tired of being locked into just one DNS provider, risking your entire site going down if they have an outage? I get it. That single point of failure is scary. But here's the good news. You can set up a backup, a secondary DNS provider for true redundancy and load balancing. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable multi-provider DNS in Cloudflare. It takes less than 5 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to walk through logging into your Cloudflare account, selecting the domain you want to work on, and then flipping that simple toggle switch to enable multi-provider DNS. I'll be showing you every click along the way, so you can follow along with your own account. All right, let's get started. Start by opening up your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and log in just like you normally would. This is the dashboard you see every day, the home base for all your domains. Now, we need to pick the domain we want to configure. Click on the domain name from the list. Just a single click on it will take you into that domain settings. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you choose the right one. Once you're inside your domain, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of options. Go ahead and click on DNS. This is where all your records live. Your A records, your CNAME records, everything. But we're not touching any of those right now. Inside the DNS section, you'll notice a few tabs at the top. Look for the one that says Settings and click on it. This is the control panel for how Cloudflare handles your DNS configuration. Now, this next part is easy but important. Scroll down the page. Just keep going. You'll pass a few different options, but you're looking for one specific thing. It's called Multi-Provider DNS. Take your time. It's there, usually about halfway down the page. And here's the reason you're doing this. Normally, Cloudflare wants to be your only DNS provider. But by enabling this setting, you're telling Cloudflare, hey, I'm running a secondary DNS provider too. This gives you that backup, that redundancy we talked about. All right, now for the big moment. You see that toggle switch next to multi-provider DNS? Go ahead and click it to turn it on. It might take just a second for the change to process. And that's it. You've just enabled multi-provider DNS. Your domain is now set up to work with a secondary DNS service, giving you that extra layer of reliability and flexibility. And there you have it, from being locked into a single provider to having a solid backup plan. You just made your site a lot more resilient. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.